Welcome back with Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bagwell. Marcus, it is severe weather season.
Yes, sir.
And the show must go on.
Yeah, that's true. We still have the risk for some strong thunderstorms tomorrow. Maybe another chance by the end of the week. Trent, we're going to track it all for you here in this weather segment. Today was a very warm day. We had increasing humidity across East Texas. Watch the Gulf moisture really begin to pick up as we went throughout the day. The darker greens and a good indication of moisture in the upper 50s and low 60s, and that's where we are at right now with our dew points, and that's why we are looking at a very muggy and a sultry night up ahead for us. We'll actually show you those numbers right now. 61 for the dew point in Tyler, 62 in Lufkin, and I expect these numbers to go up into the mid 60s by tomorrow morning, which means a very sultry, very muggy start to our day, along with a cloudy sky. Now, the temperatures this afternoon undoubtedly were very warm. We hit the low 80s for the majority of our area. Lufkin, though, 85 degrees this afternoon, 81 in Longview, Palestine today, 82. Mineola, just one tick below 80, but still quite warm for you there in Wood County. Also had 81 in Henderson, 80 in Gilmer, 82 in Linden this afternoon. Hemp Hill, very muggy for you at 83 degrees. Right now, we're still sitting in the 70s for everyone. That's all thanks to that southerly wind that we have around 10 miles an hour. That's keeping things very, very mild for us. Now, we look at the forecast for tomorrow as we get you set with the bus stop forecast. Tomorrow morning, some light patchy drizzle, not out of the question, but things should be relatively quiet. The severe threat tomorrow is near zero in the morning hours, I should say. By the noon hour, a couple of isolated showers beginning to develop, and by 3 o'clock, some scattered strong thunderstorms are expected to increase, especially east of Highway 69. That's where our greater risk for a few of these strong thunderstorms are expected. Let me walk you through Futurecast on what's expected to move in for us during the day tomorrow. This is at 11 a.m. Still a mostly cloudy sky, maybe some light precipitation, but Futurecast beginning to pick up on some spotty thunderstorms up near I-30. That's where some of the storms will begin to get their act together. Now, if we break out into sunshine more over the central and southern areas, that might allow some individual storms to form, and if those can form, then that increases every threat. Hail, wind, possibility of an isolated tornado if we can get an individual storm to form. It looks like, though, most of the activity will try to form a line, but we still have to watch it closely through the afternoon. There's 2 o'clock, still not looking at a whole lot elsewhere, but we are starting to see the development between 2 and 4 o'clock. This is the warmest part of the day. You notice additional cloud breaks too, but most of the stronger storms are staying off to the north and to the northeast, mainly in portions of Louisiana and heading through Arkansas. That's where the stronger storm threat will be. By 5 o'clock, still some storms down in Toledo Bend, but these will begin to move out after sunset as the air becomes more stable, and also we have a cold front that's beginning to move in. So not everybody's seeing the storm threat for tomorrow, but we will have to watch it very closely. Now, Friday is a different story. All of us could see maybe some heavier rainfall perhaps. For more on that, we send it over to meteorologist Carson Vickroy.
Yes, Marcus. Well, the rain, or the models rather, are really picking up on our rain chances as we head into your Friday. So Friday morning, the only thing you need to know is we might have a shower or two. Wouldn't cancel the plans Friday morning. If you do have those plans to maybe go on a walk or a jog, it's Friday afternoon. That's when I become a little more concerned. We will start to see some heavy rain and thunderstorms, as I mentioned, in the afternoon heading into the overnight. And this is looking more like a heavy rain flash flooding event than anything else. But again, still 48 hours out, so we will have to keep a very close eye on what ends up happening. Let's break it down via Futurecast. This is midnight Friday. Now, as we move into about 8, 9 o'clock Friday morning, that is when we will start to see that southerly wind increase just a little bit, and that will usher in the Gulf moisture, which will eventually increase our shower and thunderstorm chances as that cold front, again, to our northwest at 5 o'clock. That's when that rain will really start to increase, and look how the radar really begins to light up at about 10 o'clock. Heavy rain starting to form a little bit of a line, so I do expect a loud Friday night and a very wet evening as well. And then as we roll into Saturday morning, this will all start to slide off to the south and to the east. And just in time for your weekend, well, we're looking at dry conditions. And I mentioned the heavy rain threat. It is there. Here are your futurecast rain amounts, especially along into the north of I-20. That's where our heaviest rain there, shaded in the green, will fall. We could pick up anywhere from 1 to 2 inches. And that is going to be through early Saturday morning. Marcus?
Carson, good information there. Friday looks to be more widespread rain for everyone. Tomorrow's chance, not everybody will see scattered thunderstorms, but where they form, hail, wind gusts, isolated tornado cannot be ruled out. We'll be right here in the Storm Center watching it closely. 80 for tomorrow, near 80 on Thursday. A late day shower, and then the storm chances that Carson talks about Friday evening and Friday night, dropping off the rain chances as we head toward the weekend. And Deep East Texas, your rain coverage a little bit higher, so that's why you have the 60% probability, and then more storms by Friday evening. We'll talk more in our next half hour. You can stay up to date with us and the forecast at